Today we are going to test the bug fix of our Clodify system. So we have the bug, PM reports UI is missed, and description, related task and docs. I have already added all of the information here, so we can check here. So we need to check if PM role, PM user role has actually reports, management reports page in the Clodify system. So I will check also, I want to log in as a PM. And also I will log in as an admin, so we can check if everything is the same. Not the same, because PM has this page management reports, so it should be menu item reports management reports, the same as an admin. What else? This table is the same as for admin, fin, and sales, so the same we can check in the admin user role. So we have the ID, task, hours. The only one that we do not need cost for PM user role. So here is our PM and admin ID, task, hours. Cost we don't have. This is right, because this is PM. Project reporter, date and status. The only one that we here have actions, but PM has status. Okay, let's see, maybe this is, so we removed the column cost. This is yeah, don't have the cost. Okay, total cost we had here, so this is the total cost. We just renamed it previously. Now yeah, so this is admin, and the PM only has hours. This is correct. Then remove approve buttons. Okay, so yeah, then this is correct, because in the actions we have these buttons, approve, disapprove, so we can disapprove and approve. So the admin has these actions, and PM no. And PM has the status. Okay, so he or she does not have this function, so the buttons were removed. Then instead of approve buttons, output status approved, unapproved. Okay, so this is correct. Approved, unapproved, and we don't have buttons, so from the documentation everything is correct. The only one thing is additionally make management reports page available for PM user role. Okay, we have it available. PM user should see only reports in those projects where she is the PM. Okay, so we need to check. This is the first thing, is that we have here 1, 2, 4 projects. Okay, let's check the project. Okay, so we have 9 projects. Admin has all of them. 9 projects. Okay, so the PM actually should have only those projects where they are actually the PM. I see here only 4 projects. Yes, 4 projects. Let's check if they are correct. Okay, Magento. Yeah, we have this project here. So the PM should be Gary Madison. PM Gary Madison. So this is correct. Next, internal non-paid. We have this one, so the Gary Madison should be also the PM. The PM is Wes Wilson. We have actually the Gary Madison here, but the PM of this project is Wes Wilson. So this is the bug. Okay, let's check. Let's maybe check if I can do this. No. Okay. So the second project will be the bug. This is another actual bug. We need to add this also. New test and Terry Brown. Let's check the John Doe. Gary Madison. So Gary Madison, the PM. Gary Madison. He does not have the John Doe's project. So yeah, this is the bug. So I don't need even to check all of the projects. I just need to add the bug report. And that is all. So that was the last what we needed to check. So this is Clodify bug. The bug is actually this one. Or I guess the correct way will be to add this as a comment, because this actually this like the one task. I guess how we can say, I guess we can say that maybe not, this should be fixed because now PM says maybe incorrect projects. What does that mean? That means that now who is the PM? Gary Madison, PM. The first thing is that he cannot see all of his projects. Not all of his projects. And additionally, he can see the projects where he is not the PM. Okay, so this is the one thing that was missed. PM user should see only reports on those projects where she is the PM. Okay, Gary Madison, he is the PM on the staging. Gary Madison, PM, and we were on the staging. Okay. So I am adding this as the comment because it is actually related to this bug because it was not fixed, and that's why I added this in this bug report.